crossing. I fished there once before. I caught my PB there, my previous PB, so there could be some big fish. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna head out there. It's about an hour drive. I just decided that I wanted to fish Devil's River today, so why not? I'm gonna go over there. I have my kayak on top of my car, so we'll see if we can make something happen. Let's get to it. All right, folks, we made it out here. Took about an hour of driving. I see a gar right there, but we made it out here finally. We're at the spot. I don't know if we're gonna catch a big fish, but I do hope we at least catch some fish. Try my absolute best to catch a bass. That's the main objective for today's video. Water's kind of clear. It's not super clear like the last time we were here, but this spot can be really good at times. I've heard that you can catch some big fish, so we're gonna see if we can figure them out, land some fish. Let's make it happen. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that right there. That gar is right there. Oh my god, that was epic. He just ate something off the surface. It's so cool. Switched over to Slim Shake, and I think I just got bit. I think I had one. I literally just switched over right now. At least I think it was a fish. I'm almost sure. Oh, I just got murked. Did I miss him? Lost him. I lost him. It's gonna take some time and patience to land a fish because I think there is fish here, but I think a lot of them are small. I'm not too sure. I mean, look at that. Fish just busted right there. Right there. I'm getting bit. Missed them. I think it's a ton of little fish. Look at my Slim Shake. Gone. Is that a fish? That is a fish. No. Got one. Oh my god, that's a nice one. Never mind. It's a dink. He just had me wrapped up. Dink. That fish is fat. I'm gonna back up because this is kind of like a lay down. There could be some more fish here. But that fish is chubby. For such a small fish, I gut hooked him. Alright guys, so how you want to take a gut hooked fish? This fish is a little more tricky because it's a smaller fish. But you basically want to go in through the gills. Try and get your pliers. You kind of want to push it to where you can kind of grab the top of the hook. You want to see if you can get the hook to come through the gills. So like I said, this is going to be a little bit tougher because the fish is smaller. Of course, with the bigger fish, you can get that hook through the gills easier. All right, I got the hook out. What a chubby fish. Gonna go ahead and toss him back in the water. There he goes, swam off just fine. First fish of 2021 at the Devil's River. I will take it. Not a giant, but definitely a chubby fish. Pretty aggressive. I thought it was a giant at first, but he just had me wrapped up, so not bad. I really thought today was gonna be good. It's been raining the past few days. I thought that was gonna fire up the fish. Apparently not. Gotten a few bites, caught one fish, but nothing too crazy compared to last time. Last time I was getting bites left and right, so I don't know what the deal is, but I'm gonna keep trying, keep fishing, see if we can land one more. A fish. Got one. Second fish of the day right there. That's a nice one. What did he spit out? A Cinco? Get in here, buddy. Get in here. Let's freaking go. Literally, like, I'm gonna leave in like 10 minutes. I think he spit out like an orange Cinco or something. Dang, finally. I have no clue why the fish haven't been biting today. So this fish, I waited until I was sure he had it in his mouth. Not a giant fish, but hey, I'll take it. Chubby fish. I think he spit out like a Cinco. I have no idea where it went. It was like an orange Cinco. Pretty crazy though. I'm gonna cast around here and there, see if I can catch one more, but this might be the last fish of the day. I did not want to go home with one fish, with one little fish. Gonna go ahead and release this fish. Back in the water he goes. Let's freaking go. Yes, that feels so good. Slim shake, slim shake. Kept using it because that's the only thing I was getting bites on, so persevered, caught that fish. Not bad. I might have another fish on. Yep. Got one. Third fish of the day. Basically jumped in my yak. Hey buddy, how's it going? This is a bigger one. Hey, chill, 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 chill. All right, he's like not chilling. Top of the mouth. Last minute, literally last minute, last time I caught that 4-pounder, and we're catching fish last minute, right when I'm about to leave. Same exact scenario. First fish that we caught here today, same exact spot. I caught the first fish in the last video. If you haven't checked it out, click above somewhere around here. This fish fought aggressively, and they bite so like, they don't really bite like normal fish, like as in you can't really feel it. Even that 4-pounder that I caught last time, when he was biting, he also felt like a really small fish, but I think that's just how the fish bite here. Not bad. Third fish of the day. Insane. About a 2.5-pounder. I will take it, of course. Gonna go ahead and release this fish back in the water. There he goes. Wow, these fish are so aggressive. Again, I let that fish eat it. The fish here, for some reason, you have to let them eat it. It takes a little bit longer for them to eat the bait. I don't know why. Last time I missed so many fish because I was just setting the hook right when I felt that bite. But these fish, I'm kind of making sure, letting them eat it a little bit longer, and we're catching them. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not gonna lie, I kind of lost hope there at the end. I had only caught one fish. I don't mind, I caught one fish, but there at the end we caught 2 fish, came in clutch. Just like the last time, I caught my PB there at the very last end when I was about to leave. I got the yak loaded up on the car already, ready to go. Gonna go ahead and take off. I don't want to be out on this road at night because there's a lot of hogs, a lot of deer and stuff, and it's kind of a sketchy road. So that is going to end today's video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I love coming out here to the Devil's River. It's a blast. There's no boats, literally like not many people around. It's just you and nature, basically. Pretty cool. I love being out here. Hopefully I enjoyed today's video. We caught 3 fish, not giant fish, but we made it happen either way. If you did enjoy the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. Drop a comment down below for any other spots or locations like this that y'all want me to check out. If it's close to my area, I'll check it out. But with that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.